Are you considering purchasing a home but feel overwhelmed and unaware of where to start? It is essential to have an agent who you have to protect your interests and help you navigate the complexities of the real estate market. Our team has assisted countless buyers in achieving their dreams of home ownership, and we can do the same for you. The home buying process can be overwhelming, and a misstep can cost you thousands of dollars. This is why it is so critical to have a professional advocate like myself by your side every step of the way. As your realtor, we will guide you through every phase of the transaction, from finding you the perfect home to making recommendations on financing strategies, inspections, and repairs. As our client, you will benefit from our experience in positioning your offer for success, even in the face of competing bids, which sometimes still happen. We will advise you on what to ask for, what costs are customary for the buyer to pay versus the seller. We will go over contingencies and assist with any negotiating or necessary repairs. The best part, our services are free. As the seller pays our fee, you receive the benefits of a professional advocate without any of the pocket expenses. We are committed to being your support system and lifelong friend, even after you receive the keys to your home. So if you're ready to take the next step towards home ownership, reach out to us today. We are here to guide you through the entire process, ensuring you make the right choices and avoid unnecessary expenses. With us on your side, you can feel confident that your dream of home ownership will become a reality. I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group Dockside. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care.